This is lot 241, High River. You can see the gorgeous rapids on the Coosawattee. There's a couple different options for your build site. I think that knoll is stunning. Let's check it out. That's where Mountaintown Creek goes into the Coosawattee River. The river just contours this property. Got about 180-degree view here of the river and running up the hill. So lot 241 is transected by the road. This is the other half of 241. So you'd want to put a staircase down here and then have a gazebo or a second structure here. It has a lot of flat riverfront down there, and you are just a short walk to the park, the walking trail, and the beautiful lodge on the river.